Just a quick video for CIS 1. This week, week 4, means we're about halfway through the course. We're going to start on Excel. Okay, there's only one practice activity, a short quiz with only 5 questions. It's not timed. Then we're going to look at Excel. Now, Excel is my favorite application in Microsoft Office. It's very powerful. You can use it to do the books for your business or create a list of participants with address and phone numbers in like an event or a team. So it crunches numbers very well and makes a list very well. And you can even do formulas across different worksheets in one workbook. So it's pretty cool. So pay close attention as you go through the tutorials. When you go to work, and if you're going to have any sort of job that requires any computer work at all, Office technologies, especially Excel, are going to be high in demand, right? So remember, you do the tutorials and then you complete the challenge assignments, which have a limited number of instructions, and you submit the challenge assignments. So make sure you're actually doing them in Excel. Reach out via text if you want a quick response. Like if you just have a quick question or want to schedule a phone call and would like that response pretty quick, send me a text. That's the best way to reach me. If you don't mind a day or 2 or 3, send an email through the course email system. Have a great time with Excel this week. Keep up the great work. I really appreciate the quality work you're turning in. You'll notice the gradebook is updated. And again, reach out if you have any questions. All right. Thanks.